Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some hydration energy packets. Looks like it has no sugar, calories, vitamins. It has a bunch of electrolytes. There's different flavors. There's this one here is watermelon. It has citrus passion fruit, lemon lime, strawberry. I want citrus passion fruit. Let me see if I can find that one there. I don't know. Let's see, lemon lime, strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. There's a lot of them in here. And then citrus passion fruit. Okay, so this one here. So we're gonna go ahead and try this one. So I'll open that up. And I have a bottle of water. So if you need some rehydration after a workout or before a workout or during a workout, whatever, you can always use something like this. Okay, comes out fairly clear looking. Let me close the top and shake this one up thoroughly. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. Looks good. I guess that's pretty shooken up. Let's go ahead and try this. Got a lot of fuzz. Oh, that one's good. If you've ever had these and they've been bitter and yucky like that, this one does not have any of that flavor at all. This one really is good. Okay, well, this is my new go-to. So there we go. So if you need some hydration energy packets, this is going to be it. If you need to know all the stuff in it, let me peel off the little label and you can look at all that. Hopefully it focuses in. There we go. So you can probably pause it and zoom in if you need to, but very nice. Nice little setup. Thumbs up for sure.